Hi everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you something new. Join me while cooking. Today I've come up with another cooking video. It's very different and easy style cooking. Here are my potato seeds. I just put some water in the plate and they are almost more than 1.5 feet. Today I'm going to cook for my lunch mixed rice, lentil and small millets. I've soaked them. I soaked the millets for overnight and the rice dal just half an hour is good enough, but I've soaked for whole night. And along with this I'm going to cook some curry. So this is barbecue veggies curry. So I'm going to take all the veggies which I already did barbecue. So here today I'm going to make some barbecue veggies curry, and I've taken 3 potatoes and I've peeled already, and 1 tomato I've already peeled. This is 1 green chilli, and it's better to peel this. I'm going to peel this, and 3 small pieces cauliflower already barbecued, a small piece of onion, and garlic, barbecue garlic, and few curry leaves. I just made into small pieces. And there are just few spices, just salt. I've taken 1 spoon salt and half spoon red chili powder and a pinch of turmeric. So I'm going to top up with the bundi. So let's start the recipe. I'm heating water. Just I've taken the water which I've soaked the millets, and I just pour those water into the container or pot, and I'm going to add some more water. At least I need 1:2 ratio. I've taken all together 1.25 cup, and I need to take 2.5 cups water and let water come to the boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to start making my curry. Just heating the pan. I forgot to mention oil. I need at least 3 to 4 spoons oil, and I'm going to wait till oil heat. Then I'm going to add all my spices to this. Once oil is heated, I'm going to add all my spices. And mix them well. Cooking can be made very easy if you are planning in a different way. That's what I'm trying to show in my cooking. I've drawn all my veggies. I'll mix them well, and I'm going to add some hot water which I already heating for my millets. I just added some more water for my millets. Millets and rice mixed. Now I'm going to cover with the lid and wait until everything gets cooked. I'm adding hot water into the millets. And let it sit for 10 to 12 minutes and just Let's check up. My mixed rice and millet dal is ready and the curry is cooked. So I've taken out the lid after the water gets warm or a little bit hotter, and I'm going to top my curry with Bundi, the ready-made, which is available in the market. And just mix them well. Just I'm adding this in the last so that the Bundi doesn't get softer. Okay, now let me taste it. Curry, barbecue curry is ready. Let me taste and share with you. I like to use my fingers. Here is my taste tester. It tastes too good. Guys, you should try it.
For full description, look into the description box below. And if you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And see you with next video. Until then, bye.